All right, hello AP Computer Science students. I'm going to go over how to use the online editor in this video. If you are able to use Eclipse on a regular computer, that's probably the best, but if you do not have access to that, then this will show you how to do it on a Chromebook. Okay, so the first thing is how to get to the editor. So I linked it in a few spots. It's right here for JDoodle, and it looks like I put it up here too at the top. I'll probably change the name of this link, but so you can go right to there, or you can just do a tab and search for something called JDoodle. It's kind of a cool name, but it should just be the first thing that pops up. Okay, and then I would definitely log in, right, because it'll save your files that way. So log in, and I would use your school Gmail account. So I'm going to do that here quick. So now I'm logged in with my school Gmail, and then you can just hit start coding. And I wouldn't use the AI stuff, especially not in the beginning. I would just hit start coding here. And then you have to say what language or framework. So obviously doing Java here. So pick Java. And then I would change, I don't know why it gives you these weird names, but I'm just going to say like this is chapter 1 programs or something, name it something like that. And then kind of importantly here, I would change some of these settings. I would do multi-file so you can have multiple files in one project. Otherwise you'll get a whole bunch of projects for each program, which would kind of be annoying. So I'd do multi-file, and I would do an empty project. I mean, if you really want to have some code there in the beginning, you can, I guess, but I usually do empty, and I'm going to hit start coding. Okay, and then it makes one called myclass.java right away. But I'm actually going to change the name. So I'm going to click on this dots here and do rename. And you can delete it and stuff, obviously. But I'm going to say maybe this is chapter 1, program 1, or something like that. And I'll hit that little check mark so it changes it up here. Okay, and if you ever want to change the name of your project, you can click the arrows here to rename it. But I just named this chapter 1, program 1. So now I'm going to do public class chapter 1. Make sure it matches here with the same uppercase. Do my curly braces, do my main method. And you can make this bigger if you want to. Like, I don't know how to actually make the text bigger here, but I know that there was a way to make this bigger. How did I make it bigger? Oops. You can like make this go away somehow. I don't know. There's a way to make this bigger. I don't know why I can't figure it out right now. But anyways, public static void main string args, do some curly braces, do a system out print. And I'm just going to do something like that with a semicolon. I'm going to hit execute, and it'll show up down here. It's kind of small, but oh, my main is wrong somehow. Public static void main string. Okay, so it's saying my file extension is bad, so maybe I need to name this .java. So let's see if I can rename this. Chapter 1 program 1.java. Maybe it'll like that better. Now I'm going to try to execute it again. See if this works actually this time. Oh, okay, so it's giving me an error. I spelled class wrong up there. Let me see if I can get it to run now. Okay, now it finally worked. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is you can do multiple files. So now if I was going to do program 2, I would hit this little plus here to get another file. Call it chapter 2 program 2. And I'm going to see if I can get away without the .java once and see. Maybe I'll just copy this code here quick too. I don't know. I'm guessing. Oh yeah, so I do need to name it .java. Alright, I'm going to rename it. Chapter 1 program 2.java. Okay, I'm going to open that, paste my code. You can see I've got program 1 still here. Change this to program 2. This is my second program. See if I can get this one to go. Oh yeah, so this is the part that I found confusing, is this is going to run just Chapter 1, Program 1. So if you wanted to run this one, you've got to hit these little down arrows and say, make it the starter file, or make it the start file. So I click these little dots and make it start file. Oh, and then it puts a little home there, and now it'll actually run the second one, which is a little confusing. That's how you make it run, is you have to click these. And if I want to go back here, make it the start file, that should be fine. Okay, a couple other things then. If you want to open other projects, how do I even do that again? You can click on your little account up here and go to Dashboard, and then, yeah, My Projects. Okay, and then you can open up whatever ones you need. And then as far as turning them in, that part I'm not 100% sure how to do that. These files, I'm guessing there's a way to get them into Google Drive, your Google Drive, but I'm on a computer, not a Chromebook, so I'm not exactly sure. I mean, one thing you could do is try to just share it with me. You go here and share, and then type in my name there and invite user. That might be a way to do it. I could create them that way. Otherwise, if you can get them into that Google Drive turn-in folder, that would be good too. So, sorry, it's kind of a lot. It's a little clunky, but hopefully once you get the basics of it, it's not too bad. All right, thanks for watching.